Today, let's delete a Google account. Let's say that you have created an actual Gmail account and you no longer need this. So to get started, for example, the essential backup, if you focus into a new tab, what I wanted to do, the first thing to do is to focus into my account.google.com with my Gmail already been signed in. Now, basically what you wanted to do is to click into the left section that says data and privacy. Inside here, you want to scroll until you see the download your data that you can see directly inside here. Basically, this uses a tool called Google Takeout. It lets you save every single email, photo, and contact to your computer. Trust me, you want to do this first once the account is gone. Those memories are gone really forever. Now that you have done this process, let's go once again here inside this element that says delete your Google account. So Google will ask you for your passcode one last time to prove it is going to be really you. And just like that, it will be asking me to read the actual privacy elements. So at the bottom, you'll see two boxes here. I wanted to acknowledge that I am still responsible for any charges incurred to do any pending financial transaction, and I wanted to permanently delete this Google account and all its data. So that's it. I want to make my account deactivated. What's going to happen here is that your account, after it's been deactivated, is not deleted yet. If you realize you have made an actual mistake, basically it's going to be giving you 30 days calendar windows. So that means that if you usually have a very short grace period, typically a few weeks, to try and recover your actual account. If you act fast, you can go out to check the Google recovery page to get this back. But after Windows is actually closed, then you will no longer have access to this Gmail account. As you can see, everything is now been correctly deleted. If you accidentally delete your account, you have a short amount of time to try to recover it. In my case, since I no longer want to have access to this Gmail, I just need to close this window and I am actually good to go. So your data slate is clean. If this guide helped you navigate the process safety, hit the like button, subscribe to this video, and check out more videos about Windows, Gmails, and so much more really helpful tips. Thank you for watching. See you next time.